Well, that's not your usual pillar drill. As you can see, that can turn, that can go backwards and forwards. Obviously that goes down. You have 6 speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, that's 5, sorry. And then that unit below is also interesting. You see that goes up and down, and that here, that can turn from here, that turns as well. It's not delivered with that vise, but you can buy it, it's not very expensive. And you can turn the whole lot as well. So that means a lot, because with all these different configurations, you can basically drill something which is massive with an hole in the middle. Right, this piece is quite interesting because you can also turn. That is important because at the other side, what you have is that you can go this way. When you do that, you can drill something which is quite big. Obviously that won't match that far, but sometimes you can hold it there and that will drill. On the other side, you can do this. And you will be able to drill here, but that's a bit extreme really. Right, okay, so how to use that is quite easy. I've selected the lowest speed, means here, it's here, it's not there. Right, then you do that. That's my piece. That's the drill bit. Right, obviously you've got to, that my piece of wood, let's say wood or metal, is just faster with wood. Put that here. That has to be exactly in the center. There we go. Once I've done that, put that down here on, it goes down. Not too fast, you break it otherwise. As simple as that. That's it. That's a hole. If you want to go down, and not too much, there is a device here. I'll show you. Right, what you have here is that device. It turns freely until you decide that that's the end position. So if you do, let's say, 10 mil down, it will go 10 mil down. If you decide, for example, it has to go, you can't go further than that, you keep it there, tighten it, and you'll see that when you go down as much as you want, not further than that. So, which is practical. That's a 0 here. If you need it to go, let's say, in this position, not further than that, what you do is you block it here. Yes, your position, the maximum. And then you'll see that you won't go further because of that. If you're not interested in that, just unlock it. and you can go as down as the system goes. Right, as would say Michael Jackson, this is it. Thanks much indeed for watching. Goodbye.